What's the worry this man of God now? No more pick it call. No. See, may this man not use me blue. Hello? Pastor Namina.
What be this? What be this?
I'm not understand what they happen, no. You remember the prophecy where you give me now?
Are you playing?
You said make I use my only car when I get they sow seed.
We must learn a lesson.
Last month. Say this month, within first and fourth, gonna go do big thing for my life.
Boy, now I'm too much.
I said you said only 200,000 I get for account that day.
You think say they wise?
You said make I use and give you now. I give you everything.
You are a mumu man.
Pastor, as I dey talk to you now, my account dey show red.
Sorry, sorry.
1 naira I no get.
May God not allow them make them.
The trip of cars where you say I go buy, I don't know how I want you to buy it. Whether man won't fall forever.
God have mercy upon us.
No lot talk, no lot of pastor. See, this evening I dey come your place. I won't go carry my motor. I need cash. I beg you, the 200,000 go withdraw am. You dey hear me? Withdraw the 200,000. I don't collect transfer. I go collect them back. I beg.
He shock you.
I don't fit continue this one when you dey do so.
God have mercy.
I beg you, na the car I go use at also. I beg. You dey hear me?
We must learn a lesson.